Okay, the following video is to show caregivers using Ally that you can clock in and out even when you don't have a proper cell phone signal. First, I am going to clock in. At the top of my screen, I am on Wi-Fi and also internet. I'm going to clock into fake client, clock in now, confirm my location, and I am now clocked in. We're going to give it a moment to update. Now, say I don't have Wi-Fi and I don't have a cell phone signal. I can still clock out. At the top of the screen, it makes note of the fact you are currently offline. I'm going to go ahead and continue to clock out. Yes, the location is correct. I'm going to go ahead and document the care. I'm going to go ahead and document mileage if there's any. I'm going to go ahead and it can still record a client signature, and it can still record a caregiver signature. And you're going to go ahead and select clock out now. Now, it says shift saved. You've clocked out of your shift while offline. Your completed shift will be linked when you come back online. So, say I either get a cell phone signal or get back onto Wi-Fi. It will now automatically sync, upload your documented care, and at the top it'll let you know that your shifts are successfully synced. So basically, this demonstrates that you can clock in and out through the app even though you don't have a cell phone signal or even though you aren't connected to Wi-Fi.